Hi, my name's Mark with Finish First, and today I want to show you 5 new solution-based kits available at AutoZone. What's great about these kits is they have everything you need for the repair while following 3 easy steps: prep, fill, and sand. Today we're going to show you how to fix a rust hole with our large hole repair kit. After you thoroughly clean the area, go ahead and wipe it down with your prep wipe. Start with 80 grit sandpaper on your micro zip and sand down to bare metal. Now switch out to 180 grit to feather out the repair area. Thoroughly clean the area to prepare for the patch and the filler. Trim the patch to fit the repair area. You're also able to fold and bend the patch to fit the contours of the body. Put the adhesive patch in place. Before you mix the glass filler and the hardener, make sure that you knead both of them in their pouch. Mix 1 pouch of glass filler with 1 pouch of cream hardener. Then fold the body filler in, pulling the 2 components together. Apply the filler over the patch. You may need to use more than 1 pouch of filler depending on the size of the damage. One great thing about the sandpaper is it's hook and loop, so you have quick changes, and also it's color coded so you can easily identify each grit. Then start with 80 grit and sand to the contours of the body. Now switch to the 180 grit to remove all the 80 grit scratches. Finally, switch to the 320 grit sandpaper to eliminate all the 180 grit scratches. Now that you're finished with the 320 grit, you're now ready for primer and paint. Be sure and check out our other awesome solution-based kits. For more tips and tricks, visit our website at gofinishfirst.com and subscribe to our channel.